This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Tina Mabry. Expansive river frontage home including private beach for launch of kayaks, tubes, or fishing. Convenient entry into the serene, well-appointed home opens to comfortable floor plan and inviting access to an oversized deck and screened porch. Upper master bedroom suite west/loft opens to private screened porch with spectacular river views. LG main level guest suite west/stunning river view access to porch and private separate office. Fiber optics/Wi-Fi throughout home west/feed to river shack means you choose where you work. 2 terrace level bedrooms, full bath, additional room perfect for a gym and a storage. Lovely path under canopy of pine and hemlock makes every walk to the river memorable. Whole house generator, detached garage west/tool shed, and privacy entrance gate. Welcome to your beautiful home located on a quiet cul-de-sac in a prestigious mountain wildlife sanctuary community minutes from town. For more information